Now, here we are in the suite 13782 on the Norwegian cruise Escape. We're going to show you the living arrangements, accommodations. So come on in, take a look. All right, now over here, is our suite. And as you can see over here, we have a restroom, private bathroom, very spacious. Hey, come on in and take a look. You can see inside there's two faucets, a very spacious shower with soap dispensing and body wash. Very stylistic. And plenty of towels for one to use at our comfort. And there's a little tissue dispenser over here, and more towels, and plenty of space for your storage needs. And there's also cups ready for us to use for our hygiene or other purposes. Now come over here, show you the living quarters. And you see it's pretty spacious. We have the closet over here with the lockbox. If you look over here, you can actually see we have plenty of storage space for our clothes, with the hangers and the whatnot. The hangers are designed to come out. It has this type of head. So once you're done, put the clothes on, you can lock into place. Over here, there's a USB charging port with light. Important to bear in mind, no smoking in this your room, as expected on all cruises. They give us some towels for us to use the pool at our leisure. It has a very nice logo of Norwegian Cruise Line. And there's a lot of decorations, a very spacious and relaxing couch for us to actually sleep on, and a nicely available TV that we could use and watch our viewing shows and whatnots. Oh, and we have a telephone over here. All right, now I'll take you to the balcony. The one of the best parts about living in the suite. You can see over here, there's the balcony. Then we go out, you open it, follow the directions. I just twist it like this, and pull it like this. And we're currently right now in the Manhattan Harbor City. As you see right now, we're docked. Well, we hope you enjoyed this video, and we're taking you on a wonderful walkthrough of the suite experience at the Norwegian Cruise Escape. Now let's go back inside before we part ways.